Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Consider creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Winter garden decor not only beautifies your outdoor space, but we're exploring small-scale woodworking projects perfect for beginners. These crafts are ideal for gifting or selling, combining simplicity with creativity. Whether you're just starting out or looking for quick, rewarding projects, these ideas will help you develop your skills while creating beautiful, functional items. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or extensive experience. With basic supplies like wood, glue, and paint, you can craft charming pieces that will impress friends, family, or even customers. Let's dive into these beginner-friendly woodworking ideas. Our first project is a personalized wooden keychain. It's easy to make and can be customized with names, initials, or small designs. Start with a small piece of wood, cut it into your desired shape, and sand the edges smooth. Use a wood-burning tool or paint to add personalized details. These keychains are lightweight, inexpensive, and make perfect gifts or small items to sell at markets. Plus, they teach you fundamental skills like cutting, sanding, and decorating. It's a fantastic project for beginners wanting to make a practical, personalized item quickly. Another beginner-friendly project is a mini wooden planter box. These small planters are great for succulents or small herbs. Use simple joints like butt joints or nails to assemble the box. Then sand and paint or stain it. You can personalize the design by adding decorative touches or lettering. Mini planter boxes are popular for home decor or gifts for plant lovers. They teach you how to measure, cut, assemble, and finish wood projects. Plus, they're quick to make, making them an excellent choice for beginner woodworkers looking to craft something special. A small wooden tray is another excellent beginner project. Use a simple rectangular design with handles on the sides. Cut, sand, and assemble the tray, then finish with paint or stain. Trays are practical for serving or organizing items and make lovely gifts for housewarming or holidays. This project introduces you to assembling flat surfaces and handling edges, essential skills for woodworking. It's quick to complete and offers plenty of room for creative decoration, making it a satisfying project for beginners wanting to craft a useful item. For those interested in functional decor, a wooden picture frame is a great project. Cut and assemble a simple frame using mitered corners or straight cuts. Sand the edges, then decorate with paint, stain, or embellishments. Insert a photo or artwork, and you've got a personalized gift or sale item. Picture frames teach core skills like measuring, cutting, and finishing. They're versatile, customizable, and popular among buyers. Plus, making a few frames can help you perfect your craft before moving on to more complex projects. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.